All right, here we go, Ford truck fans. Just talking to the gentleman that pulled in with this thing. This is a 10-mile rural fire district truck out of the Oregon area is what he told me. That's where 10 Mile is. I asked him, I had no idea where the 10 Mile came from, but he said it's all original. It's been used for sure. And let's take a look up in here. Unit 2080. I find that the old rural, the rustic patina of these old units quite alluring. You know, it's really neat because you can see that obviously it's had stuff bolted to it like mirrors, but he said it's a 1968 truck. Looks like it's set up for maybe, I don't know if that's dual, I don't know enough about them, but pretty cool to see this. You probably saw firefighting duties. Let's see. Important lubrication of PTC pump. Yeah, it's got safety stickers. Obviously, probably county from back in the day. Pretty cool looking, man. Very interesting unit. 68 fire district truck from 10 Mile, Oregon. Gauze Garage.